Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create an automatic table of content in Microsoft Word. For example, when we add a topic or remove a topic, by one click we can update the table of content. Let's start. For example, I have this content, just the font material, I selected it as heading 1. Now you can change the properties of heading 1, just right click on it, modify. For example, you can change its typing to Times New Roman, change its size, for example, for 14. You can change its color. Okay. Also from here, you can change border, language, numbering, and font. I let it as default. Okay. This one also, it is a subject heading 1. For example, I select this one as heading 2. This one. You can change its property in the same way. This one, heading 1. Okay, I remove this number. This one, for example, heading 2. You make the difference. What is the heading 1 and heading 2 or heading 3 and 4? I select this one as heading 2. Okay, now let us put the table of content. I left this page as blank page to put table of content. Just put the cursor here, then from references, here you have table of content. You see automatic table 1, automatic table 2. I work with this to 1. For example, I select this one. Directly, you see the content is provided here. You see that is a heading 1. That's also heading 1. This is a heading 2. This is heading 1. This is heading 2, heading 2. To see how it updates itself, for example, I add another one. For example, conclusion. Add this one. Home as heading 1. And this one, heading 2. I remove the number here. Okay. And come back to the table of content. Just click here. Update page number only, update entire table. You see how it changes. Just okay. You see conclusion edit, references edit. That's the way to create table of content in Microsoft Word. Have a nice day.